Listen, if you're looking for that one or two luxury gift that feels so expensive and is not going to stress your wallet nor your bank account, let me put you on. I have partnered up with the brand Twisted Lily to bring you these holiday Montal gift sets. And baby, these are stunning. Each one comes with a full size 100 ml bottle plus the 20 ml travel spray and this cute little bag for your travel spray. And if you're gifting these for the fragrance lover in your life or just treating yourself to a little holiday treat, then these fragrance sets are it. Head on over to twistedlily.com and use my discount code 610 and save 10% off your entire